This is my life. I made the decision. I close my eyes, I see the vision. With lifestyles, I can have the freedom. This is my life. This is my life. This is your life. You made the decision. You close your eyes. You see the vision. With lifestyles, you can have the freedom. This is your life. This is your life. So join my way, live better every day. So join my way, live better every day. So join my way, live better every day. Live better, live better, live better every day. This is my life. I made the decision. I close my eyes, I see the vision. Oh, with lifestyles, you can have the freedom. This is my life. This is my life. This is your life. You made the decision. You close your eyes and you see the vision. Ooh, in lifestyles, you can have the freedom. This is your life. This is your life. So join my way, live better every day. So join my way, live better every day. So join my way, live better every day. Live better, live better, live better every day. Live better every day.
Good morning, Lifestyles Distributors! Today is an exciting Monday Mindset Workshop. This is Global Marketing Director Jen Montablan from San Pedro, Laguna. So, Happy New Year, everyone! Our topic for today is all about the impact of dreams fulfilled. Bakit yun ang napili ko? Kasi nga, mula nung napanood ko ang presentation ng Lifestyles Opportunity, malaki yung naging impact sa akin ng mga success stories ng mga global marketing directors and all the leaders who are achieving their dreams through Lifestyles Opportunity. So, For now, meron akong isi-share sa inyo na isang word na kung saan malaki yung naging bahagi sa buhay ko at nakita ko kung paano naging victorious yung mga tao dito sa lifestyles in doing this business. So ano yung word na yon? That is victory. Now, let us define first the word victory. Victory is achievement of success in a struggle or endeavor against or difficulties. Ngayon, himay-himayin natin yung word na yon. Letter V stands for vision. Nakita ko yung sarili ko, pwede akong visionary dito. I visualize na ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa akin in doing the lifestyles opportunity. And what is letter I? I stands for inspiration. When I've heard all the success stories of the global marketing directors, iba-iba sila ng kwento pero lahat nakaka-inspired. Imagine from manicurista na naging global marketing director, from Atenean graduate, now a global marketing director, from a college dropout, now a highest income earner, global marketing director, and also the others, GMDs, na nauna pa sa akin. Lahat po yun. Malaki yung impact, yung mga success stories nyo sa akin. That's why I am so really inspired by you. Kung kaya naman, sa mga nakikinig sa ngayon, I know kung 50s na ang global marketing directors and the other IMDs also NMDs, I'm sure kayo din. Nai-inspired kayo kung ano yung ginagawa at nangyayari sa amin. And especially to those na merong mga achievement sa paggawa ng lifestyles business. So, doon pa lang, dahil na-fulfilled mo yung dreams na yon na itinanim sa'yo sa puso ni Lord. 'Di ba? Napakasaya sa pakiramdam. And what is letter C? C stands for choice. Sabi sa last slide, life is a choice. Kaya naman, I made a choice. From the traditional business, I turned to being a network builder. Hindi ko man alam ito sa una, but then again, dahil sa functions, dahil sa mga turo, sa libre na pagtuturo ng mga coaches, mentors, 'di ba? I give myself chance to learn the lifestyles business. Kasi pag hindi mo binigyan ng tsansa yung sarili mo na matuto ka, magkamali ka, huwag mo na isipin na mag-GMD ka. And dahil binigyan kong chance na matuto yung sarili ko, aralin yung business, there is changes na nangyari sa buhay. Ano yung changes na yun? Dati, mahilig manood TV. Lahat ng birthday present. But because of the lifestyles function, di ba? Sasabihin sa'yo ng mentor mo, hindi na yan yung environment na dapat na ginagalawan mo. Kasi imagine, every year nakikipag-birthdayhan ka. Wala namang nangyayari. Dito, meantime, habang di ka nag-GMD, di ba? Sabi, huwag ka na munang mag-birthday party. Kasi once na you become a global marketing director, every day may birthday party. Pwede kang mag-celebrate. And what else? What is letter T? T stands for teamwork. This business, we cannot do this alone. Kaya lagi sinasabi yung quote na teamwork makes the dream works. So that's why we have mentors, coaches, the uplines, your sponsor na nagdala dito. And I'm so grateful with Ma'am Paz Abreu, dinala niya ako dito. And I'm so grateful also with the mentorship of GMD Angie, together with the inspiration of Ma'am Peng Mendoza and the rest of the global marketing directors. Now, I'm also a global marketing directors. To all my business partner downline, sabi nga ni GMD Eric, kung saan ka nilagay ni Lord. Huwag mo nang isipin na, buti sana doon na lang ako sa kanila. No, kaya nilagay ka dyan sa team mo na yan, dyan sa grupo mo na yan, kasi dyan ka belong. So, di ba? And O stands for organization. When you do the teamwork, nakipag-teamwork ka, your organization will grow. So, through our function, through the culture that we have with lifestyles na kailangan nating ma-adapt, the organization will exponentially and it will multiply also. Kung bakit meron tayong mga summit na ginagawa, kasi nga doon ang training natin. O, diba? And if the organization grows, what happened? Gonna next? There is a result. Ngayon, ano yung result na yun na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo? Result na ano? Kung dati mahiyain ka, nagkakaroon ka ng personality development. Kung dati, lagi kang nakasimangot, dahil sa mga training, natututo kang mag-smile. O, diba? Kung dati mahiyain ka, dito, nagiging confident ka na. Parang yung digital natin ngayon, di ba? Marami sa atin ayaw humarap sa camera, but because of the training, the encouragement of the people, the leaders, sini-cheer up tayo. Lahat tayo nag-cheer sa bawat isa. Kaya naman, marami sa atin natututo, naging confident na. Malakas na yung conviction mo, 100%. Kung dati ayaw mo nagpapapicture, kasi nga sabi mo, ay, hindi ko gusto yung face ko. Pero pag iniinom mo na yung Intra Fiber Life, lagi kang nasa training, ay, kahit bagong gising, o diba, confident ka mag-selfie. And, what is letter Y? Y stands, sabi dito, kumpleto man lahat ng yan, nasa iyo na. You have mentors, you have business partner downlines, you have the company, you have the products, you have the system. Pero pag ikaw, hindi mo in-involve yung sarili mo, walang mag-GMD. So, for us to become a global marketing director, sabi nga in the previous Mindset Workshop by Global Marketing Director, Sir Eric Lodovice. O, diba? The new year, the new mindset. Sabi niya, talon-talon for you to become a global marketing director. At hindi lang yun. For you to become a victorious one. Bilang tao, victorious ka dito. Winner ka dito. Kailangan mo lang makapasok, ma-adapt mo yung culture natin upang sa ganon, lahat ng ating minimithi, makakamit natin yon. Why? Diba? When you become a global marketing director, hindi lang kita, hindi lang income. Ano yung benefits? The family, the happiness of the family, your immediate family. Like GMD Angie, like GMD Peng, anytime na gusto niyang dalhin sa ibang bansa, yung buong pamilya niya, pwede, tama? Di ba nakaka-inspired yun? Like Ma'am Angie, dalhin niya sa Boracay, yung buong pamilya niya, pwede. And that activity alone, grabe yung inspirasyon, grabe yung impact sa akin yan na binibigay kung bakit patuloy po ako na nananatili dito sa lifestyles. And I know and I believe na one day, all my dreams also will fulfill through the lifestyles opportunity. So with that, thank you and good morning. To God all be the glory.